voila. Do a taste test for you guys. Small amount I'm taking because I'm going to hit the hay soon. I don't want to be dancing on the ceiling. All right, so just a little bit I'm taking in. A little bit. This is powerful. Very, very powerful. This will keep you up all night. Keep you moving all night. Keep you moving all day. Every day. Cheers. Ooh, what a feeling. We just dancing on the ceiling. Ooh, what a yo, this is, I have no words for it. It's just amazing. The taste, silence. Just silence. Just enjoy.